guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my okra gel and how I'm gonna add it to my hair and style my hair afterwards. So I'm cutting the okra up into some small pieces and I'm gonna add that to a pot of boiling water in a minute and let it boil for, I think I left it for about 15 minutes. So at this point it's pretty much finished when you see it like bubbling up this much, and you can see me kind of mixing it, and it has a really gooey slimy consistency. You can see it dripping from the spoon. That's what I'm looking for. So now I have this empty container and I'm gonna add my okra gel to it. I'm gonna use this stocking foot as a little strainer kind of thing. So I'm gonna put it inside of my jar and pour the gel into it and squeeze it out. So for those who don't know, like, okra is rich in vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K as well, and it has a lot of calcium and potassium and a lot of other nutrients that are really good for your hair. It also has a lot of moisturizing qualities and it helps with getting rid of dandruff. Like, it's just one of those wonderful plants, you know, one of those wonderful things. So this was super hot, by the way. I don't know why I felt like I had some superpowers, but eventually I let it just stay for a while so it could kind of cool down, and then I went back to squeezing the gel out. But yeah, there's a lot of gel inside of the stocking, so try and get out as much as possible. Don't just throw it away. This is what it looked like afterwards, and you know, I just threw that in the bin. So I made the gel a few hours ago and it's cool now, but yeah, so it's really slimy and I'm hoping I get some really nice curls. We gonna see. I'm supposed to be somewhere in a few minutes. My hair isn't done, my makeup isn't done either, so somebody's gonna be late, but I don't care. I'll do it for you guys. Alright, so I just washed my hair and I'm gonna just put it in some sections and apply the gel as I go along, because this is like a really good gel. It's not like no eco style. I understand this have bare nutrients and things, so I actually want to get it everywhere. Give my hair some little niceness today. So I'm just getting it on my ends. It look like shampoo. Listen to me. Nobody get my hair soapy, you know, because I'm gonna really cuss right now. Alright, so I'm finished with my hair. I'm kinda I'm not sure if I want to leave it like this because I'm going to a party. I'm gonna be jumping up and down. I don't know if I want to just leave my hair out or I want to kind of control it a little bit. I'm thinking of doing a braid and just coming across like this. What do you think? I'm not gonna take too long for answer. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Actually no, I think I'm gonna do the little braid thing. So I'm just using my edge control, get my edges looking nice. I'm gonna braid it because I've never used this gel before. I don't know what it's gonna do to my hair. I don't know if my hair is gonna get out of control and look crazy. I don't know. So doing the little, you know, bring back thing will kinda keep it under control. I really like the way my hair feels though, like it doesn't feel crunchy, you know? My curls feel soft and nice. That's always a good thing. I'm kind of bringing it behind my ear a little so it's easy for me to bring it across in the back. My edge control dry and my hair already not moving, like my edges, and I haven't even tied it down. Do you see why I love this thing? If you haven't seen my video on my favorite edge control, I'm gonna have it linked in my description box. Make sure to go and check it out. Once again, I'm kind of bringing it behind my ear. Look at how nice my hair is looking. Like the only thing in my hair is the gel. And it makes my hair so nice and curly. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be using this more often because OKRA is so cheap. I'm just gonna catch this part up a bit. Alright. You could have tell me something I have roll on under my arm. I saw to stay. Oh good. Thought we were friends. Guys. Alright, so I prefer it like this. You know, I've never used the gel before, so today I can have a little test to see how my hair reacts. I don't know if it's gonna flake. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, I put my roll on since I couldn't tell me. So I have roll on under my arm. I'm gonna put some mousse. This is my Latte Body foaming mousse. Alright guys, so this is it for the end of my little video. My mousse is dried in my hair and everything. My hair still hasn't been feeling crunchy like how normal gels would make it feel, like Eco Styler or whatever. I'm gonna go with my hair pick so I can just pick it up, you know, maybe in the taxi or something because I'm actually really late. My taxi is gonna be here in a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you ever try to make this gel and use it in your hair, you can send me messages, send me pictures, tell me if you liked it, if it worked for you. blah blah blah. I actually love it. I'm gonna do it more often because, like I said, it's so cheap and it's natural, you know. It's natural and it has so many vitamins and nutrients that's good for your hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is down here. Hit it before you leave, please. I said please. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share, blah 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 blah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.